Hi, it's me. Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make chewy chocolate chip cookies. Other delicious recipes can also be found on YouTube, but this is my favorite. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of chocolate chips. In a medium saucepan over low heat, melt the butter. Once all the butter has melted, remove the pan from the heat and stir in the granulated sugar and brown sugar. Add in the vanilla extract and the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Do not overmix. Add in the chocolate chips and mix until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Once the dough is ready, you want to let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. While the dough is chilling, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to line your baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. Here, I am using a silicone baking mat. Once the dough has chilled, you're going to roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/2 inch thickness. You will want to roll the dough into 12 equal pieces. After you've rolled out all 12 pieces, you're going to roll them into balls and then flatten them slightly with your palm. Place the cookies on the prepared baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. You will want to rotate the baking sheet halfway through the bake time so that the cookies bake evenly. Once the cookies are done baking, you are going to want to let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And that's it. Once the cookies are cooled, you can enjoy. You can store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Or you can freeze them for up to 3 months. If you like this recipe, please repost so others can also enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.